Hello from the Philippines. I've been doing some more upgrading, and you can see I've changed my brakes. So a different look, more of a custom look. But that's not what I want to talk about. I've been seeing these things popping up on Lazada, and I didn't really get a chance to get a good close look at one. But this is my latest upgrade. It was actually pretty cool. The other thing that's funny is it wasn't exactly plug and play. I had to actually modify it quite a bit. And you can see there's a little bit of dribble going down the side. So I've been working on getting rid of the dribble. But I'll just walk you through it. This is a metal cap with a little decal on the top. This is not glass, it's plastic. There is an O-ring inside the cap, very small. There is another O-ring below the plastic. This right here is aluminum, and this piece right here is aluminum. The Yamaha version, they separate. You can actually unscrew them. I did RTV it because it was weeping fluid, driving me crazy. And then the screws, I RTV'd the screws also. You can see the red. I chose red because it was easy to locate the leaks. It is what it is. This section right here, I had to take and I had to use this bottom piece with a piece of sandpaper, and I sanded it until there's a rubber piece from the original setup that just barely, maybe a half a millimeter, so it would seal properly. So I had to kind of remanufacture it, but it does look pretty cool. So the little bit of weeping that's left, I'll have to learn to live with it. I can just wipe it off once in a while. But it was quite a challenge. When I first put it on, it was leaking like a sieve. So it was kind of fun. It was an experiment. So I'm recommending people to don't be afraid, but you got to live with it at some point. It does look pretty cool. Definitely has a definite appeal to me anyways. It's definitely custom. So I guess I'll leave it at that. Ride safe out there, have fun, good luck, and play safe out there.